Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to log Shopify store. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To add a password to your store, go to online store and click on preferences. Scroll down to the password protection area. Here you can see, and in password section enter the password that you will give to the customers who you want to be able to access your online store. Don't use the same password that you used to log into your admin. And in message for your visitor section, enter the message that you want to show on the password page. If you don't want to show a message, then leave this field blank, and after that click on save. So this was how we can log our Shopify store. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.